Hello everyone, my name is Bulatova Zhbek and I'm a high school graduate from 38 school. So this year I'm going to pass various type of exams. So the profession that I have chosen for myself is artificial intelligence engineer. There are various reasons why I have decided to choose this kind of a career for myself. First and foremost, this is because of my greatest passion and the craziness for programming and the coding. Since my childhood, I have been always looking forward towards my programming classes, computer science courses, where I was able to create different kind of websites, apps, and just the thought about turning my creative ideas into the reality seems really appealing to me. And the second reason is just the opportunity to help other people in our world, for instance, ease their lives in fields such as medicine, education, and entertainment. It just motivates me even more to choose this kind of a career path. I guess I would also be able to solve some global complex problems as well. The third reason, and the most crucial one, I think, it's my family. My family and my parents, they always believed in my success in this field, and they were the one who just noticed my flair to programming. And also my two sisters, they always look up at me and they see me as their role model. So that's why I don't want to disappoint them, and maybe I want them to follow my path. So let's look at the glimpse of the history of AI. To be sure, the history of artificial intelligence has started long before the actual term was coined. In mid and the early 20th century, the foundation of AI was based on developments in math, and also famous Alan Turing's work, Turing's test, was the biggest step into the development of artificial intelligence in 1935. So then, in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was firstly used in Dartmouth Conference in 1956. After that, the development of artificial intelligence has started. But unfortunately, in 1970s, the development has stopped. The reason for it is a limited power of computers and the over-ambitious expectations. And as the funding decreased, many researchers, they just have turned it into a more practical field. But after, in 1990s, the development has started again due to the development of machine learning, neural networks, and data sets. And nowadays, artificial intelligence is the biggest part of our lives. Sort of artificial intelligence seems not as impossible as it was before. So the next one is just the overview and just the AI engineer's role. The first thing that they do is design and develop AI solutions that automate tasks, improve efficiency, and just solve some complex problems. And in order to do them, they use different kind of programming languages, frameworks, and the tools. And if we talk about the impact of it, it has the biggest impact on the fields such as medical field, education, entertainment, and more. The next one is really influential figures in AI. The first one, as we see, Alan Turing. He's also called the father of AI due to his concept of universal machine and Turing's work. The next one is Geoffrey Hinton. He worked on neural networks, and they are, as we see, a key technique in modern AI. The next one is Elon Musk. He's one of the most popular people who is safely promoting AI through OpenAI. And also, his idea about the risks of AI has been the main topic of discussions lately. The next one is Fifi Lee. She is the woman researcher, and she's the one who worked on computer vision. She's the one who created ImageNet, which is focused on doing different kind of images with the help of artificial intelligence. There are some skills required for AI engineering. The first one is analytical thinking, of course. The second one is strong knowledge of mathematics and programming. As we know, computer science and math, they're really closely connected. Because while you're doing different kind of codes or programming, you'll have to be good at problem-solving tasks. And the third one is logical and creative problem-solving skills, as I said before. And then the last one is ability to continuously learn and adapt to new technologies. As we know, technology is just developing every day. It just doesn't stop in one place. So that's why we have to always be ready to follow latest trends in modern technology and work with the latest models of technologies, of robots, AI, and much more. So that's why it's really essential. There are some advantages and disadvantages of the AI engineering profession. The first one is high salary potential. Many employees, they just choose this kind of career because of the high salary, but it doesn't mean that this kind of work is easy. It It requires a lot of knowledge and hard working, to be sure. And due to the fact that there is a lack of specialists in that field, they pay a really high salary to them. And the next one is opportunity to work with cutting-edge technologies. You will be able to work with latest technologies, robots, and maybe even create one of your own. The next one is contribution to solving global problems. As I said before, you would be able to maybe create your own AI or robot that would be able to solve some global complex problems. If we turn towards the disadvantages, the first downside is continuously need for skill and the knowledge updates. You have to be ready to learn every day, and you should have the biggest motivation and encouragement in order to choose this type of profession, because you never stop learning, follow the latest modern trends. Another biggest downside is it's long hours working with computers. As you know, it can just severely affect your mental health, severely affect your physical health. Where to study AI engineering? In our country, there are several options such as Nazarbayev University, Al-Farabi Kazakh National University, and the Astana IT University, and more. And abroad, you can study at MIT, Stanford University, KAIST, and more. But I have to mention that both universities give their students an opportunity to use and practice with latest modern technologies. I also have to mention that proper tertiary education is very essential in order to become a good AI specialist. And the next one, industries embracing AI engineering. The first one is robotics, is the most basic one. For instance, nowadays many people use robots, for instance, to make their coffee, to clean their house. The next one is automotive. Nowadays we use different kinds of eco-friendly cars that use the energy of sun, wind. And the next one is education. For instance, teachers and the students, if they don't understand like the rubric, they can always ask AI to explain the topic more properly. And also AI will be able to give them a self-study program. The next one is healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare with applications like diseases, drug discovery, and the personalized medicine, finance, and the cybersecurity. It means that it can protect your data, prevent cyber attacks. What kind of benefits I can bring to my country? After I finish my tertiary education, I would like to create a bot of my own or artificial intelligence robot, which will be able to replace some teachers, for instance, for those children who are from low-income families or live in the countryside and doesn't have an opportunity to move to the city. These kind of artificial intelligence robots, they would be able to give a proper knowledge and also give them an opportunity to follow school program. By that, I want to make our country, Kazakhstan, the leader in Central Asia, in computer science and artificial intelligence. Thank you everyone, and thanks for your attention. This presentation was made and presented by Bulatova Zhbek.